For anyone who struggles with anger within households, this video is for you. I understand the arguments, the fighting, the raising the voices. I get that and I understand that. It's really hard to hear all your family members yelling at each other. Awful, rude, mean things are said, things that you wish you could unhear. But I want you to know that the Lord is with you, and He knows how you feel, and He knows your heart, and He knows it's hurting you. We need to have self-control over what we say. I speak the name of Jesus over every household that battles anger, that the devil is creeping in. I ask that the Lord will break that chain, that there will be an overflowing peace within your house. The name of Jesus will overflow every door in your home. God is so much more powerful than every argument that happens. God is so much more powerful than the devil. Therefore, the devil cannot get to your family anymore. Ask the person watching this video, if that is your family, be the light in that house. Don't be the one causing the arguments. Don't be the one stepping into the arguments. Love on each one of your family members, no matter what and at all costs, because they are a daughter or a son of Jesus. Love on them and be the light in that household. Be the Jesus that they see. I know it's hard and it's scary, but be the light. Pray over every family member in that house. Pray over your siblings and your mother and your father, or anybody in the house. Pray over them because they need Jesus. You need Jesus. We all need more of Jesus. Sometimes all you can do when there's that situation in your house is pray. Praying is the answer. Prayer is key.